Good morning, everyone. I welcome you again in my class. Today's topic I'm going to teach you about the Unit 1 of ETP. Okay, there is a short summary or the short information about Unit 1 from your ETP subject, means entrepreneurship. What is there in Unit 1? Unit 1 is about entrepreneurial opportunities. Unit 1 is about entrepreneurial opportunities. So, we are just going to have a look what is there inside this lesson. Okay, there are some points in Unit 1. The first one is sensing EO. Let me tell you one more thing. I have already given an introduction of uh, an entrepreneurship and enterprise. Just must go through it because those are the basic information. Okay, now coming to this point, the first point is sensing EO. EO means entrepreneurial opportunity. You don't write in short, you have to write the full name. So to save the time, I have written like this so that I can explain you this part. Sensing EO means sensing entrepreneurial opportunities. Now the first point is to sense the opportunities. Sometimes we want to do many work, we want to start something of our own, but we don't get any idea what to do, when to do, how to do. Everything you will get from the surroundings. You just have to be attentive all the time. You have to sense the opportunities around. You will find the different things are required, people need many things. So the first thing is about the sensing those opportunities so that you can also be an entrepreneur. So the first thing is sensing the opportunities. Okay, how can you sense the opportunities? By observation, by keeping your mind in attentive position always so that you can sense each and everything going on around. The second one is environment scanning. The second one is environment scanning. Now in environment scanning, what do we do? Scan, you already know, scan machines are also available. So scan, we do scan through our mind. We scan the whole environment and we try to find out what is going on around us, what is the need of the people in the environment, what is the need, what is the demand there, what are the things required which are not being supplied in proper time. It can be anything, it can be any food item, it can be any textile, some fashionable things, or it can be related to anything, medicines, the requirements can be anything. The thing is you just need to have a good sense so that you can sense the opportunities. You can have a look to the environment. The second one is environment scanning. You need to scan the environment properly. Suppose somebody is in need of some medicine urgent, but the chemist shop is too far. Then you need to sense, then you need to see that yes, this is the requirement, but you also have to see the other things. You cannot stuck into one thing, see the other problems also. You have to take care of many things. When you scan the environment, you see, you have to observe the people also, their choice, their thinking, their living style, everything you have to observe in the environment scanning. You have to observe the other shops also, you have to observe the competitors. So here environment, under this topic environment scanning, you need to scan the whole environment, the people in the environment, and many more things, whatever is there in the environment. Our surrounding is our environment. In the surroundings we have many things and you need to scan each and everything. Okay, the third one is problem identification. Now in problem identification, you have to, not only you will see the problem faced by the people in the surrounding, but you also have to see the problem faced by the entrepreneurs. You will see, first you have to see the problems which are faced by the customers, which are faced by the people around you. Okay, what kind of problem are they facing? And next you also have to see the shopkeepers, the entrepreneurs, those who are already in a business, what kind of problem they are facing. You have to observe all the things. In the problem identification, you have to identify each and every type of problem so that you can keep yourself at least somewhat safe from the problems. we cannot guarantee the uncertain things. There are many things which happens suddenly. So business is about risk. That, keeping that aside, talking about the genuine things, you have to identify the problems faced by the customers, faced by the shopkeepers, everybody. Even these things you can collect from your friends, relatives, from many. Coming to this fourth point, spotting trends. Spotting trends. Now, trend, what is the meaning of trend? Trending, you already know, I don't have to say to anyone about trending. Trending means which is in fashion now, which is going on now at present time. What is the trend? Sometimes one hairstyle comes, everybody do the same hairstyle. Sometimes there is a trending of jeans, some tore jeans, and we say these are not torn one, this is a fashion. So the trend comes, sometimes about hairstyle, sometimes about textile, sorry, the dresses. So the trends can be of different types. You just have to spot that trend, what is in trend. You have to be up to dated. Whatever things are in the trend, you have to go according to that. You cannot keep only the old things in your shop or in your business. You have to go according to the trend. Otherwise you are going to have loss in your business, or you won't be able to compete with others. So going with trend from all sides, from the materials in our shop, from our thoughts, from every side, we have to be with the trend always. Now, then we can keep ourselves in one position in the business, in the market. Now the fifth one is creativity and innovation. There are many competitors, there are many people who has already a settled business. How can you stay in that place? How can you keep yourself present in between so many, among those competitors? Through your skills, creativity and innovation. Because if you have your own creativity, own innovation, then you will also make your own place in the business. Because there are already many business persons or many entrepreneurs, those who have settled up business, they have already good fame, good name in the society, and you are the beginner. How can you earn name and fame, and how can you settle your own business? How can you be a successful entrepreneur? Through the creativity and innovations in your business, and that will be your own. See what happens, if there are 2 3 business people, they can have same qualification, they may have given the same capital, same amount in their business, they sell the same products, textile or utensils, the same kind of product, but something will be different, that can that no one can copy. That is your creativity and innovation. If you have your own creativity and innovation, and if you put that in your business, nobody can copy that, because creativity comes from here, from our own mind. That is something of our own. We can't copy from anyone. We can copy the ideas, but creativity cannot be copied. Okay, so this was there in unit 1. You can have a detailed knowledge through your book. Just go through your book. It's very easy to understand, it's not that difficult. Just go through your book. I hope you will understand, because I have already given a short description of unit 1, and I think this is it. We can go to unit 2 also now. If you want to read something more about this unit 1, just go through your book. Thank you. Have a good day.